हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल स्टार्टअप बस। आज हम बात करने जा रहे हैं एक फास्ट ग्रोइंग कंपनी की जिसका नाम है ओयो। ओयो कंपनी ट्रेवलर्स को सस्ते होटल प्रोवाइड करवाती है विद गुड अम्यूनिटी। ओयो के फाउंडर हैं रितेश अग्रवाल। रितेश अग्रवाल का जन्म उड़ीसा के रायपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट जनवरी 2013 में। ओयो का एक ही होटल था गुरुग्राम में, और महज 3 सालों में ही रितेश अग्रवाल सेल्फ मेड बिलियनर बन गए। तो चलिए देखते हैं कैसे ओयो कंपनी 7 सालों में 700 करोड़ रुपए की कंपनी बन गई।
India has so much to offer for travelers, and it struck on me that in this country which had so many travelers, more than 350 million, had little or none high quality hotels available on budget. I'm Ritesh Agarwal. I'm the founder and CEO of Oyo Rooms.
Oyo Rooms is a marketplace for budget hotels in India.
The company was a few people. Today we operate and partner more than 1500 hotels across 65 cities in this country. More than 3.5 lakh room nights get booked by Oyo at this point of time. The hotel industry globally has been very far from technology across. So we felt bringing technology inside these hotels, which is how we started the whole background of Oyo becoming India's first tech-based hotel brand. We realized that one of the single most powerful ways in which consumers will get to know about Oyo in the time of need is probably by Google. That is where we reached out to Google. We felt they wouldn't be very supportive because we were very small as a company. We were surprised by how collaborative the teams were early on, not only on our web, but also on our mobile. And we feel extremely excited about the way AdWords has become a very important partner for us. We tried to do something which was disruptive. In Varanasi, there is one of the ghats which is exceptionally famous, and more often than not, if somebody was searching for the ghat, is actually traveling to Banaras. And we bid on that ghat search keyword. So what started happening is one of these keywords actually became a large business for us and extremely inexpensive, but still available for the users, because of which in just a couple of clicks, people are transacting on those keywords. AdWords is among the world's most powerful tools to drive demand.
You could never grow at this pace if you were not able to reach out to the consumers, and fundamentally there are only very few marketing channels that allow you to do that.
We said we would at some point of time aspire to have 500 inquiries with Google. Today we get roughly 1500 inquiries. What also happened during this period is we launched our mobile app. Our mobile app enables you to search a hotel in majority of the cities. Within 50 meters distance, you'd find a couple of Oyos around you, and you can book it in a few seconds. When we reached out to Google, we were just 50,000 downloads, and that used to be probably 6% of our business. Today we have close to 500,000 downloads, and mobile is half of our business.
I strongly believe that every small company
इन 2019 ओयो बहुत ही ज़्यादा एक्सपैंड हो चुका है। वो एक ग्लोबली और बहुत ही ज़्यादा फेमस हो चुका है, एंड ओयो बिकम्स द थर्ड लार्जेस्ट होटल चेन इन द वर्ल्ड। ओयो ने अब अलग अलग ब्रांच खोल दिए हैं जिनके नाम है ओयो टाउन हाउस, ओयो कैपिटल, ओयो प्रीमियम, ओयो स्पॉट ऑन। ओयो अब 500 प्लस सिटीज़ को सर्व करता है और हर साल करोड़ों में रेवेन्यू जनरेट करता है। ओयो यूएस में भी कदम रख चुका है। तो चलिए देखते हैं ओयो यूएस में कैसे वर्क कर रहा है।